Welcome back to the Crystal Game Engine series. There's a lot to cover today and a lot of features to show off. As you can see, there are now way more files. I finally have a real window for the game engine to render things on. I've also added a couple packages including glfw, glad, glm, and imgui, so you can see those here. So here's what the game engine currently looks like. The UI is done with imgui and the window is done with glfw. Glad and glm will be useful later on for actually rendering the game. If I turn on dock space, then I can dock the windows to spots inside the window, like this. So as you can see, you can open windows, drag them outside the main one, and close them out. So if I turn on dock space, like this, then when I click and hold this window, you can see that these things pop up. So I can drag this over here, and it kind of gives me a preview, like this. So I can snap that to there, and I can actually open more of these, so like the console, and the log, and you can resize them as well. You can also resize the window itself, so like this, but I can also full screen it, so like I can have my whole engine like this. I've also got keyboard and mouse input working, so you can type text into text boxes and use the mouse to click on menus and interact with them. So like this, I can add dummy text and add dummy error, this, and this is some more text, so I can filter out that and filter out these errors by typing more into the filter right here. So as you can see, it does work. So this is what it currently looks like, and I hope to add more features. So I've also completed the entire event system. So I've got application event, key event, and mouse event, as well as I've added key codes. So if you look at all these, I've got a ton of, there's an absolute ton of them. So here's all the letter keys, and all the special keys, function keys, things like that. And I've got mouse button key codes, or codes, whatever you want to call them. So I've got these are for the left mouse button, right mouse button, middle mouse button, and I've also got the scroll wheel working. So when you go in here, that's actually what's going on. So if I open, all of these, so like all of these, and you can see there's a scroll bar on the side. I can actually scroll up and down with the mouse scroll wheel. And with those events, I can also type things into text boxes, move the mouse around obviously, and click on things. So that's what the event system is currently looking like.